Weather bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Greene County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in southwest Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, southwestern Fayette County in southwest Pennsylvania until 2:30 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Rogersville and was moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rogersville, Swartz, Waynesburg, Jeffersonboro, Mount Morris, Carmichaels, Bobtown, Star City, Nemacolin, Westover, Morgantown, Greensboro. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. The National Weather Service has issued